Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
So eto na po ang biyahe na ipinadala sa atin over at DJ Lala Banderas Facebook page. Ito ang biyahe ni Ace. Hi DJ Lala, my love. Charot with harot. Pero ito na nga po. May i-share lang po ako by the way. Ako po yung nag-comment dun sa FB live biyahe mo nung 1 week. Di po ako nag-chat. Ganito po kasi ang nangyari niyan. Nasa Jollibee po kami noon. Nag-open up ako sa kanya about sa situation na dapat wag naman sana niya agad magalit or mainis. Lalo na kung hindi ko naman intensyong mangaway. Kasi ganun siya kapag ka may nasay ako or nasabi ako, madali kasi siyang magalit. Konting argument, gusto lagi hiwalay. Tapos suyuin mo, pahirapan. Tapos yung isa, sa kinaiinisan ko, yung tagpo na paalis na nga siya, tapos sabay daw kami magsimba. Yun pala, wala akong aasahan sa kanya na isa. Lalo sa kinaiinisan ko kasi, alam mo yung period? Nakakilala ka na ba ng period? Parang hindi ka nakakilala. Pakilala ko sa'yo si period tsaka si kama. Ginagamit sila sa mga mahahabang sentences. Kasi hindi ko alam kung saan ako magpo-pause. Well, anyway, isa pa sa kinaiinisan ko kasi, pakiramdam ko, binaliwala niya yung feelings ko na paalis na siya para mag-call center. Tapos yung pagkakataon na makasama ko siya, pinalagpas pa niya. Sa ngayon, okay naman ako. Pinaninindigan ko na lang din yung sinabi niya na panindigan ko na lang daw ginawa ko. Di, pag-chat sa ngayon, nag-payment na lang siya ng utang niya po sa akin via GCash at blinak ko na lang siya para wala na rin ako makita sa kanya. At makamove on na kami parehas. Maraming salamat po. Alam ko pong maintindihan niyo rin po ang side ko. Salamat, love you, DJ Lala. Hindi ko na-gets. O diba? Para sa mga para daw sa nag-message sabi ni Boy P, tara katol. Magkatol tayo. Well, anyway, my love, ganito, no? If i-generalize na lang natin yung situation nyo, my love. If both of you are feeling like hindi talaga kayo nagkakaunawaan, hindi talaga kayo nagmi-meet in the middle, parang easily aggravated kayo by one another. Ibig sabihin, your relationship is becoming toxic. If there's a certain and very tiny detail na pinag-aawayan ninyo and you can't seem to go about it and go over it or get past it, ibig sabihin, my love, none of you, kahit sino sa inyo, ay ayaw mag-compromise. Kasi yan yung isang key to a healthy relationship with someone. You need to learn how to compromise. Pag yung isang tao, short-fused, ikaw, kailangan mong habaan yung PC mo. It's not me telling you na ikaw yung kailangan mag-adjust. Pero dahil ikaw yung mas may ability na habaan yung pasensya in order to make things work, you would gladly adjust. Remember what I told you earlier, na when it comes to argument sa loob ng isang relasyon, you have to remember who you're fighting with. If that person means that much to you, if you love that person so much, the argument won't even matter. The reason why you guys are arguing shouldn't even matter kasi mas importante sa iyo yung tao kesa manalo sa argumento. Pero kung ang goal nyong dalawa, ang magiging, sabihin na natin, aim nyong dalawa is to win in every possible argument, yung makuha nyo yung satisfaction na, yay! Nanalo ako. Then my love, that is a toxic relationship. So if you guys ended up your relationship by sulian ng utang, that's the best thing that could happen to the both of you. Kasi obviously, you guys are not bringing out the best in each other. Bagkus, you're bringing out the worst in each other. And that's something that cannot sustain a relationship any longer than that. So my love, siguro sa next relationship na meron kayo, establish nyo na yung parameters ng magiging relationship niyo. Some people are just gonna be busy. Some people are gonna be required to understand more, to give more, to be more in a relationship. Some people in a relationship must be willing na sumuyo endlessly because they understand na that's just the attitude nung tao. Hindi niya intensyon na magmataas, hindi niya intensyon na masaktan ka in the process, hindi niya intensyon na inisin ka just because hirap siyang magpakumbaba, but because yun lang talaga yung pagkatao niya. Some people won't get it, some would. Pero ganun kasi talaga pag nagmamahal ka eh. You should be the bigger person in every single aspect. Dapat matuto ka mag-adjust not just to the person but the relationship itself. Kasi kung sasabihin mo sa akin na ayoko naman na laging ako yung nagbibigay, ako yung nagmamahal ng mas, ako yung nag-aalaga ng mas. My love, may mga tao din kasi na hindi sila yung tipo ng taong open. Hindi sila yung tipo ng taong expressive. Hindi sila vocal. It takes a lot of their strength to do certain things romantically. Pero with you, they are trying. And sometimes yung gesture of trying is the best they can do. So if you couldn't see it, if you couldn't appreciate it, then maybe, just maybe, hindi ikaw yung nag-a-adjust. Sila ang nag-a-adjust. That they need to be more in order to be appreciated by you. This is me trying to tell you how complicated a relationship can be. Pero how beautiful it is as well if you find the right person to share a love with. Kaya kung hindi man kayo ang para sa isa't isa, Ace, kasi for some reason you cannot stand each other, hindi nyo maintindihan ang isa't isa, hindi nyo maibigay yung understanding na kailangan ng isa't isa, then maybe yung paghiwalay ninyo is the best thing for the both of you. Yun na yung best decision para sa isa't isa. Maybe you guys not being together is the best for you guys. Ganun naman yun eh. Minsan, no matter how much you love a person, if the relationship cannot stand alone sa love lang, if a relationship requires more than that, and none of you is willing to give it, kapag wala sa inyo ang willing na ibigay yon, then sometimes love ain't enough. Hindi siya sapat para ipagpatuloy nyo pa yung relationship ninyong dalawa. Pero my love, sana one day makahanap ka uli ng pagmamahal, and sana itong pagmamahal na mahanap mo can give you the satisfaction in a relationship that you are looking for. And sana this time around, kung sino man yung mahanap mo na someone, sana this time around you can make that person happy just as much as you make them happy. Sana this time it fits. Kasi sometimes wala naman talagang ibang rason kung ba't naghihiwalay yung dalawang tao kahit gaano pa nila kamahal yung isa't isa. It's just that hindi talaga fit yung personality nila sa isa't isa. And the best way for them to show their love and respect to one another is just to let it go before pa sila magkasakitan. Okay? So Ace, I wish you all the best, and I wish you guys a healthy moving on process. Stop blaming one another for whatever happened in your past relationship. Both of you made some mistakes, and you owe it to those times to learn from it. Para sa next relationship ninyo, it will be better. Ganoon naman eh, kapag nakaraan. It is meant to make us the better version of ourselves yesterday. Klaro? Klaro. So, kami Love Radio.